How to speed up internet in Windows 11 or Windows 10 with just one simple step. Hello everyone and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing of one simple step or change that you can do to your internet connections to make its speed more efficient and more faster. So for that, first of all open or press Windows plus R. Search for ncpa.cpl. Now you have to choose your Ethernet connection and then go to properties. Now click on configure and then you will see the option of advanced. Tap on it. However, this application or the step is only available for the Ethernet users. So make sure to switch to Ethernet connection and not on Wi-Fi. After that, from the properties, select speed and duplex and then change the value. So this is the simple step that you need to follow. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.